Meatball's Hidden Gems. We are down South Street and it's a packed night. Let me tell you guys, come on. Jules Pizza and Grill's got the cheesesteaks. Look at how beautiful they're cooked. The buffalo wings, fabulous. Pepperoni pizza, stromboli, forget about it. And even Mikey Slice has got the tricks. Check him out. Look at him go. Come on, look at that dude. Hey. All right, and the customer service is awesome. And don't forget the big slices. Welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball's Hidden Gems. Today we're in downtown South Philadelphia, South Street, 5th and South. The home of the biggest slice in South Philly. The home of the one-stop shop for the Philly taco. Let's go inside of Jules Pizza and Grill and see what's cooking. So here's what's cooking. I'm here with Mike Metzler, the managing partner. He's going to explain to us about the biggest slice and the one-stop shop of the Philly taco.
Hey Frank, thanks for having me.
How you doing, man?
Good, buddy. How you doing? Going great, man. Doing great.
All right.
So, obviously we can't talk about the Philly taco until we start talking about the biggest slice on South Street. So what do you say we go ahead and start? I'll show you how to be making pizza.
Yeah, let's do it up.
Awesome.
All right.
So basically we start with your dough ball. Now, your typical pizza, your large pizza, you work with a 1 pound dough ball.
How many pounds is that?
3 pounds.
3 pounds, so that's like over twice the size of a regular pot.
I'd say about 3 times.
Yeah, 3 times.
So basically we start with a 3 pound dough ball, scrape it out, flour her up, pat her down. Now, I like to hand stretch everything, but when it comes to working with something quite this big, I need a little bit of help. So I pull out an old favorite here, our dough stretcher. This thing's ancient. So it's real simple. All I do is turn on the machine, roll the ball through it. That's just going to make my job just that much easier. Do it once, I like to do it twice for good measure. Then I go over to here, start stretching her out. Let's plop her down and make her round.
That's almost as big as the tires on my Jeep, man.
Yeah, man, this is the big ones. That's for sure. Definitely the biggest pizza I've ever made. And I've been making pizza for over 30 years. Started when I was 15 years old in South Philly, right in our old neighborhood, 12th and Porter, Pizza Ramen.
Right.
Had that same machine, matter of fact. Well, not that same machine, but that same typical machine. And yeah, that's where I started out. We were making strombolis in the morning for wholesale, making the pizzas at night. But anyway, that's a 28-inch pie. Alright, so what we do first is we start with the sauce. Bring this over here, make it a little bit easier for me.
Hey Mike, let me ask you a question, just so we don't confuse anybody out there. When we make pizza, we use sauce, right?
Right, pizza sauce.
And what's the sauce for?
Macaroni.
Macaronis. So just remember that. The sauce is for the pasta, the macaronis, whatever you want to call it. But when you make pizza, what do we use?
Sauce.
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 Not gravy.
Sauce.
Sauce. Now, he's going to sauce it up.
So, now, when you're making a pizza, it's standard. You start in the middle, you work your way out. But listen, this thing's 28 inches, so I do it the reverse. I start from the outside, I work my way in. So I grab myself a ladle. It's basically, it ain't got to be neat. It's got to basically get it around there, a little bit in the middle. Then I just start working it. And again, it don't have to be perfect. But like I said, it's just basically stretching it out, or spreading it out rather. Make it uniform. You don't have to be perfect, because the cheese is where you're going to make it perfect. You want that perfect edge, the cheese is what's going to do it, not the sauce. So speaking about cheese, I think this is ready for the cheese. Oh!
Oh!
Look at this! I guess I really am cooking with Frankie Meatball today.
Hey, where's the meatballs? So
a little bit more than that.
Just with the taco, I know the Philly taco is the cheesesteak.
Right.
Correct?
Well,
I think you were talking about throwing a little spin on it.
Yeah, I call it the Philly Taco 2.0. Where I want to try to go with that is I'm not trying to claim fame to the Philly Taco. Obviously, it's been around way before me as far as being in this establishment. However, I'll try to take it to the next level. Chicken cutlet taco, the chicken cheesesteak taco, and for vegetarians, you got to make sure you take care of everybody. I even have a vegetarian taco, which is where I have your portobello caps, your green peppers, and your onions.
And everything's fresh. He does it all fresh. Nothing frozen, always fresh. That's the secret ingredient. With love, right?
Exactly. Made with love. I make the mushrooms fresh every day. The peppers and onions coming fresh every day. Rolls coming fresh every day from Lucio's. So yeah, fresh every day.
All right. So now this pizza is cheesed. I'm gonna throw it in the oven.
Yeah, Meatball, take it.
I think I need help with this. It's a little big.
We'll give you a hand with that.
I'm not good with big things. You know what I'm saying?
Oh. So just bring it right over here. Let me open this up. Here you go. Heat wave. Stick it in there.
Woo! I don't think I need a haircut now.
Exactly. It sends the eyebrow.
So, how long does something that big take to cook?
Yeah, about 10 minutes. We cook it at 600 degrees. So
600
about 10
degrees?
minutes. It takes just the same time to cook that pizza 28 inches as it takes to cook a 12-inch pizza.
And how long is that usually? How long is a regular pizza usually?
8 to 10 minutes.
8 to 10 minutes
yeah.
at what? 550?
550, 600. Yeah. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just make sure we got a nice browning on the bottom. I'm going to move the salt to screen. I'm going to be there for about a minute. Get the screen out of here. Now something this big, obviously I can't use the peel. These things are the best tool to have. Like I said, literally just about a minute. I think that's long enough. Takes 2 pans to get out 1 pizza. Slide it on there. Bring her out. And she's a done.
It's been a long time since I've been on the grill making a cheesesteak. And you know what? It's like riding a bicycle. You'll never forget. You might fall a little bit and bang your head, but you don't forget, right? Cooking with Frankie Meatball, making a cheesesteak at Jules Pizza and Grill. We're making a cheesesteak for the Philly Taco. Right, we're going to cheese her up. I'll put some cheesy on there. Again, Jules Pizza and Grill. Frankie Meatball making a cheesesteak for the Philly Taco. The one-stop shop for the Philly Taco. Located on 5th and South, below Fat Tuesdays. You get your drink on, and they come down and get fat, but not on Tuesday.
Like you heard Meatball say, we do have the biggest slice in South Philly. And the way we have the biggest slice in South Philly is, just like most places, we do start off with your standard 28-inch pie when you're doing a big slice. What we do different is instead of cutting our pie into 8s, we cut them into 6s. We get like a little bit more, a little quarter more on each slice. But it does make us the biggest slice in South Philly. Just slice it down the middle, give it a little turn, slice it again, give it a little turn, last cut, there you go. Biggest slice in South Philly. What we're going to do, we're going to take the slice, plop her down there, bring her over here, make the taco.
Oh my God, what a slice!
Thank you.
Heck, look at that. That's, oh, what a slice that is.
We don't call it the biggest slice for nothing, Meatball.
That could feed a family, you kidding me? I hope you charge $10 for that.
One fat guy.
Alright, so, show me the beauty, show me the magic, show me the taco, man.
But the first thing I want to start off with is, why do we call it the Philly Taco when we're rolling it up? And the truth is, when this was first invented, it was put together where you would take this, put it in the center, and you would just fold it like a taco. Over the years, however, people have changed it to where you roll it up. So, although it looks more like a burrito, it's still called the Philly Taco. So it's simple. Get this, and depending on how good your rolling skills are, my rolling skills are pretty good. Sandwiches. Just roll it up. Come over to here. Guys, that's it. It's the Philly Taco. Before you know it.
Let's try this thing, huh?
Come on.
Put it over here, let's go.
Here, knife.
I'm prepared, I got the knife. So let's see what the magic brings. Look at that. That is a thing of beauty. You see the steak, the roll, the sauce, the cheese, the pizza all around. Huh? I don't know about you, but my mouth is watering over here.
Listen, I've been waiting for this all night.
I gotta take some.
I'm gonna join you.
Oh. It's like a pizza steak.
Oh my God.
It's amazing, guys. Come down, try it out. 1 second. Guys, come down, try it out. The Philly Taco, 5th and South, underneath Fat Tuesdays, where you get fat. Try the taco. It is amazing. What do you think?
I love it, Frank. Love it.
It's the best.
The best.
I'm gonna go finish this, and you guys head down to Joel's Pizza and Grill on 5th and South. Till next time on Cooking with Frankie Meatball, Hidden Jewels. Remember, every road leads somewhere. This road led me to the taco.